Hello, I'm Dalton with ThemeHouse. Today I'm going to teach you how to make campaigns on Donate. First off, we're going to navigate to Setup, THDonate, and Campaigns. We're then going to click Add Campaign, and then add a little bit of information for our campaign. First, our title, our tagline, and a description about what our campaign is about and why people should donate. Okay, and then we're going to set our display order, our currency, our minimal donation amount, set a few preset donation values. We're going to uncheck Allow Custom Amounts, set our goal, check our start and end date, and then select a payment profile. These payment profiles can be created by navigating to Setup and Payment Profiles. You're able to create one with any payment method you want. Just be sure you create a payment profile before you decide to create campaigns. Then we're going to check and uncheck any of these off. Then we're going to click Save. And now our campaign is created. Now that we've created a campaign on the back end, this is what it shows like on the front end. We're now going to try donating to this campaign. So we're going to click Donate, select an amount, type in our own message, and then we're going to click Donate. After donating, you can see that our comment and how much we've donated is now shown on this page.